Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a bit of what I get up to in my personal life and also business related. So spend the day with me as a mom. I'm also looking after one of my kids that isn't feeling very well, and also my assistant could not make it today, so I'm having to do like triple the workload. So yeah, come along with me and see how the day unfolds and what I get up to. First of all, I spend the day like praying, meditating and studying the word of God because I need sense of direction in this life we have been given. Now next I have to start like arranging the kids' clothes, so ironing all the two of them that are going to be going to school. I get their clothes ready and also get them ready so they're ready to go have breakfast, and now they are ready to go off to school because I need my time now. Now two of the kids are off to school and I've got the third one which isn't feeling very well and he's super clingy. He's just woken up, so I need to get him something to eat and also give his medication, and I hope he's gonna go back to sleep because that's what he spends most of his time doing, eating and sleeping. So I have to just go into my warehouse just to on things like on the heating so it's nice and warm by the time I'm ready to go back in. Next off, I go have my morning run. I'm trying to be a bit more consistent on my weight loss journey and getting fit because I really do need to get on it. So now the baby's awake. He's awake now and wants me to carry him. Take those papers for me. You okay, Baba? Zoom, zoom. No. No, hot. Hot. I managed to do some few packaging in the warehouse, so I decided to come give my son lunch, which he seems to be quite enjoying. I'm only having 2 cones because I'm trying to be as fit and as healthy as I can. Next, I'm back into the pod and trying to get work done. I'm just going to carry on packaging until I finish all the things I plan to ship today. I couldn't get everything done today because it was quite a lot that I needed to sort out, and then it was time for school run. I'll be off to the post office soon, but I just thought I would just carry on showing this whole process until it's time to head off to the post office now. Okay, so I am just off to the post office now. I am feeling really tired, so I'm thinking I would come back and like have a quick nap. The only problem is when I nap during the day, I tend to stay up like really late at night. So like yesterday I was sleeping till about 7:30, 8ish, and I didn't go back to bed till 1 a.m. And even at that 1 a.m. I was still awake till like, because yeah, it was just, so I'm thinking I'll just power through till 7:30 or 8 and then just go to bed early. But now I'm just off to the post office. After that I am going to go pick up pizza and chips from Aldi for the kids. I was thinking to go to Morrison's, but I can't be asked going all the way to the other side to go pick up this thing when I can pick it up in Aldi that is around like close to the post office. So yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm going to wrap up the video here just so it's not too long. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoy the content of my behind the scenes vlog, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on the bell icons. When I post any upcoming videos, you get notified, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.
Camera detected ahead.
Really? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.